Hello everyone, this is Vanshika. Today we are standing in sector 127 Mohali. The project name is Golden Homes and I am sales manager here. Golden Homes is situated in sector 127 Mohali, which is adjoining sector 116 in Mohali. The project is on National Highway, that is National Highway 205A. Talking about the area, the project is 1.5 acres in total and it have a front of 200 feet facing towards the highway. So basically we are considering it as a highway location. And one more important thing, there would be no any flyover on this highway as it is a defense road. So your property would be on prime location for lifetime. There is a drawing section for the flat. A 7-seater sofa is placed here. Adjoining the drawing section, there is a dining section. For now, we have placed a 4-seater table here. If you go for a 6-seater dining, there would be no space issues. Section for the flat. The modular kitchen would be complete. Hole would be of stainless steel. We are providing a customized option in the kitchen as we have put a combination of brown and white. In case you want any other combinations, it's personally up to your choice. Basically, we are providing a customization option in your kitchen as well as in your flat. You can go for a customization of paint if you are planning something of your choice. You can go for a customization of colors of the doors. Basically, you can design your flat or at your home. This is the master bedroom of the flat. Talking about the ceiling would be down ceiling as it is same done in the sample. This room have attached washroom. The fittings in the washroom would be complete of Cera and Parryware. Adjoining this, we have a cupboard section. In case you want to go for a customization for cupboard as well, you can go for it. Basically, these cupboards are quite spacious. If you want it to be done in a sliding section, you can go for it. The mica choices are also available in the cupboard section. Basically, you can design your room also on your own. This is the second bedroom of the flat. Talking about the ceiling would remain similar as it is done in this room. The cupboard section would be on the left and right side of the bed. If you want to go for a customization for the cupboards as well, you can go for a color change and size change also. Adjoining this, we do have a bathroom. The sanitary fittings in the bathroom would be complete of Cera and Parryware.